Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Barim ku Sarkar Jella Badairu UMLA ke NCP usaleng sangma ulami syakmat ban kren halor ki kambam sap ki baju jia labun snem hagi tenat traikam baper ke Sarkar Jella badbu ke jinggeli balai haban ketong tang ya ke tenat boarding badia Menteri Sarkar James PK Sangma habakali ke ke jing sngau jungu halor ke jing dawa ban shimno ya ke tenat boarding na James usaleng badai presiden ke NCP ha ke jela ulaong baki don bun ki jing bamsap ha ki weipat ki tenat traikam ke Sarkar hanrai amdan bakren ni kita batla chube thong ban kedau kti tang yo menteri ke tenat boarding usaleng ubadai ru MLA ka Gambigre constituency ulaong balai amdan bakren ya ki kambam sap ki bayadai bat ke tenat puli puti ka jing julor kha ka jingking Bailey Bridge ha umroi ka jing bom pelat ke tenat industries ya ki skim ki baladep menjur da ke single window agency bat ukau ke FCI badai ban poi sha ke jela halor ke jing sna ya ke jingking Bailey Bridge ha umroi Shillong bypass usaleng ula ai jingero ya ka NHAI ka BRO Menteri ke Sarkar Pedeng Nitin Gadkari bat usembut menteri rangba ubak Preston Tensong hanrai ulabu jingkeli mado bedon keti ban penjulor ya kani ke jingking la udai kontraktor basna ya ke jingking ni ke jingkit palat put ki truk ki bapek da ke tenat transport kumta usaleng ulaong bakalong ke ba itamula ban chukdau keti man la kasngi tang yo menteri ke tenat boarding James PK Sangma ha kani ke Sarkar MDA Namar kibun ki kambam sap bat kambian haki weipat ki tenat traikam bapek da ki weipat ki menteri. Kumta usaleng mula dawa bantok kit ya ki kambam sap bat kambian habaro ki tenat traikam ke Sarkar bat penshitom ro ya ki officer ki badon kti namar umla banchukan no tang ya ki menteri.
People used to talk about James when he was holding Home Minister. Now again he is being targeted after being, stripped off from the Home Minister. Why people are against the James, I don't know. Okay, people should also talk about the education scam. People should talk about the, the breach in, that Valley Bridge, which was already, damaged. And I would like to thank NHI, BRO, Nitin Gadkari, and Preston Tensong for those who has already taken the initiative, at least to look after this particular bridge. But who was the main culprit behind? Whether it was a contractor, whether it was the transport who allowed that overloaded trucks to fly over that bridge, what was the way of the bridge? All those things are there. Not only the James, it's getting fed up, every day. What about the FCI and all, food production? What about the, COVID? All those things are there. Lots of scams are there from each and every department. But why James is to be targeted every now and then? It looks funny actually. Very funny. Very, very funny actually. Okay. As I'm saying, why only the power? Why not the other? We talk about the education also. Okay, talk about the education, talk about the transportation, talk about the mining, the inquiry in every department, not only one department. Lots of corruptions are there. Why focus one department? Focus every department.
Usaling ulakento baki don bun ki samla ki badai ban sengkam lajong la kadai ki karkhanarit bat ki wei hanrai katenat industries haduk menta kadang batsa klempat ai hukum pekin sedang ya kakam uni UMLA ulabu jingkeli hatu ke jingpen slam kadai namarba kita ke batmu sengkam lajong kimla bansu pisa
industry there's a lots of single window which is already been cleared. Lots of entrepreneurs were there. Yesterday I have seen our chief minister entertaining our what do you call them, the entrepreneurs actually. Okay, what about those who want to do? Okay, in industry they are not allowing the those who is already been released by the single window system. Why the department is still hanging all those things? Whether they need money to release the what do you call this one? The one which is already been approved by the single window agency. Why it is like this? Why there is a lot of corruption in every department? They should see, they should terminate some of the officers. Huh? Why only the ministers? Those who are involved in the corruption, they should terminate. This is very funny actually. Of youths and then youth, lots of unemployment people out there who wants to show their skill, and then they have already applied for the single window, to be cleared, and then maximum of them has been cleared. But till that, I don't know why the industry department, they are not issuing any kind of certificate or not issuing any kind of a go ahead to those who has already applied. You see, because after single window they clearance, only they will apply for the loan and all. But till now, since they have not cleared, okay, it's already been cleared by the single window, but the government, they have not issued, the department. I don't know why. What is the scam behind? I don't know. Whether these people need money? Because our people, yesterday also I have seen, our chief minister is trying to, build the entrepreneurs within the state. But if this kind of system continues, then you're talking about the corruption. This is also one of the corruption. Why you're not allowing? Or because our, the youths or maybe the individuals who cannot pay them, that's why they are stuck. This is not good, These habits are not good. They should change. There's a lot youths who has already come back during this COVID-19. They have also applied, but they're not getting anything. We should give them a chance, We are talking about the IAP, this and that. But if we don't create a producer from within the state, then definitely the outsider, they will definitely enter. These are one of the solutions, where we can track the, the influx also. Unless and until we have our own producer, then how do we suppose? Because, we need some means. I would like to request all those entrepreneurs, those who has already applied and those who wanted to be entrepreneurs, okay, from the state of Meghalaya. I want them to come open. Where are your application is stuck, and then whether the single window agency has already cleared it, or why the industries are not doing it. So they should come openly. If required, you guys can call me also. We will see and deal the matter. Who are the officers who in it sitting in the chair, not issuing, or is it the government who is not doing so? So it should be very clear. So this is one of the scam, who is trying to manipulate, use the power, and misuse the power. So I want all the entrepreneurs from the state who are unemployed, who have already applied for the, industry or some kind of, assistance, they should come out openly.